When you see the stone, leaf, or flower, do they sense you? What is unseen and unknown is not necessarily imaginary. In fact, that which is unseen and unknown is the very most nutritious and inspiring gifts available to us. What is unseen to our eyes, staring into a cloudless horizon, is absolutely teeming with matter and information. What is the spirit of nature? Is it not luscious, magical, unpredictable, engaging, seductive, diverse? The same attributes as fairy world. What is the politics of fairy life? Nature rules.